Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to Digital Studio. Today I wanna teach you the most fundamental part of color grading, the curve. What is curve? Curve is basically the brain of in color grading, and it is the most powerful tools to adjust contrast, color corrections, and to create cinematic and dramatic way. So let's go to it.
Like and subscribe.
Okay, so I will going to the curve sections. This is the curve sections, and here are so many options. So this is learned for later, but now I will show you. This is the dark part. This is the shadow. This is the midtone. This is the highlight. This is the brightness. This is the more than brightness. This is the horizontal. Its value x value, and this is the vertical. Vertical is called the y value. So brightness is almost in increase the higher brightness. Look at this how it's affect, and this is the highlight. Actually this effect of the highlight part, and this is the midtone. It's actually affect the mid of the midtone meets something brightness area to target. And this is a shadow. This is when your curve is lower to increase, and this is a shadow to boost. And this is a dark part. Dark part is obviously related to shadow. So this is the basic things. Okay, now I want to show you the types of curve. This is a hue versus hue curve. This is the hue versus saturation curve. This is hue versus luminance. This is hue luminance versus sat. And this is the saturation versus saturations. And this is saturation versus luminance. So actually this use the advanced level of color grading. I recommend you the coming up video. So first you will saw this page. This is the highlight. Okay, so when I need to this image the boost of highlight, so then I will create the something part of highlight. Okay, so here you can see this part to include the highlight, and now I wanna this. Okay, so here you can see, look at this the basic. Okay, you see how to use. First you must needed to highlight boost. Okay, highlight boost, and much needed to shadow. Okay, look at this how it's effect. I wanna down this highlight and down and up this. Okay, look at this. This is looking freaking. And when you need to RGB is RGB. Okay, something you saw when you include your image of the red tone. So here you can see. So first you boost. Okay, so you boost your. Okay, okay, this, look at this. This is the after, this is the before. There are include the red tone. So here you can see the green tone. When this curve I put down, and here you can see this is the erase of the red tone. Here you can see this is the erase of the red tone and boost of the green tone. Oh my god, this is the create a cinematic tone. Look at this how it's look exactly freaking pretty. So okay, this is the basic thing. So when I need to something yellow tone, you just put down your blue curve, and here you can see what is the difference and how to look cinematics. Okay, after and before. This is the actually do the curve tone. Okay, okay, bye bye guys. I will show you the part 2 of the curve. There I discuss about the hue versus saturations, luminous saturations, and more options. So this is would be a video, the advanced level of video. So if video is helpful, follow for more such content. Bye bye.